Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the November 2023 Double Shot Kit. So the Double Shot Kit is the smaller of our collection kits. It will include 2 new collections with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. You'll also have access to 2 recipe cards. These are layouts that our design team creates for you. They're double pages, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions. You'll also have a color photograph to go by. Also, with your subscription, you'll get a free exclusive cut file. And this month's cut file is this awesome Handmade with Love title with the little jam jar and the strawberries. So it's going to go perfect with our collections. I don't know about you, but in the fall and the holidays, it just becomes time to be at home and in the kitchen and making goodies or even just eating goodies. So these 2 collections are going to be perfect to document all those memories. So to begin with, we're going to have Echo Park, Good to Be Home, which is all home themed, and you can pull out so many different memories in this collection. And then Simple Stories, Acor Lane, which is a gorgeous fall collection. We have those fall yellows and oranges, but a little touch of pink and blue to just tie it all together. So let's dig in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these and everything you'll receive. The first collection we're going to look at is Good to Be Home from Echo Park Paper. So this has all of the home icons, and of course most things revolve around the kitchen in home, so there's lots of kitchen icons here. To start with, you're going to get 2 sheets of white cardstock, 1 sheet of cranberry. For your pattern paper, you're going to get this gorgeous floral on that navy blue. The back is a yellow and white grid, and it's actually kind of like a stitching print. Then we have a striped in all of the different colors. The back is a white plus sign on the light pink. These are Home Sweet Home stripes, and this one was called Happy Place Flowers. I just realized I didn't say that. Then we have that backsplash with the white tile with florals in both of the diagonal corners, and the back is a smaller print of that gorgeous floral. Beautiful colors, and it can even tie right into fall as well. For your embellishments, you're going to get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a scalloped floral border. These are word labels, but you could also put them all back together and create a border with it. Home Sweet Home, Family is Everything. And then we have all of these tiny little houses. And again, these are separate, but if you wanted to create a border, you could just line them back up like they are here. We have houses, we have little apples, the mixer, spatulas, a little bookshelf with recipe books, some of those gorgeous florals and plants. So many cute icons. So that is Good to Be Home from Echo Park Paper. This is our second collection, Acor Lane from Simple Stories, and it is a beautiful fall collection with a little kind of spin on the normal yellows and oranges because we add in those pinks and those grays. So to start with, we're going to get 2 sheets of craft cardstock and 1 sheet of blueberry. I just love that color of blue in this collection. Your pattern papers are this one called Happy Harvest. So we have the chicken wire and mushrooms with these butterflies and little leaves that you're going to see in the embellishments. The back is this gorgeous orange kind of marigold color flower on that blueberry. We have this paper called Falling Leaves, which is the traditional yellow and gold and orange. The back is this gorgeous plaid and that blue. And then we have these fun flowers. This is Hello Fall. You can even fussy cut some of those for embellishments. And the back is a tone-on-tone yellow plaid. I just love fall colors. For your embellishments, you're going to get some of the foam phrases. So these will vary. All of the embellishments will vary. So this is just a representation. And you're going to get 2 of the sticker sheets. So again, those will vary, but I got some word labels and some circles. And then also some of the ephemera pieces. So this is a mixture of the journal and the flower bits. So these would be from the journal pack. A little cute little fox and the frames and a little ticket, and then some fun icons. So that is Acor Lane from Simple Stories. One more look at your 2 collections in your double shot kit. Don't forget to check out all the other kits. I'll have links here to the flavors of the month and some other kits. We have add-ons. There's lots of individual items in the store as well. And we also have a December album from Simple Stories that's in the store right now, limited quantities. So grab that if you're interested in documenting December the easy way. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.